How is everybody doing today? Hopefully, everybody is doing well and amazing. I want to welcome you all to the Hello LLC How To's. Today, we are going to be discussing, are you using your phone as a toy or a tool? And we want to help you use your phone as a tool, especially in today's society. Social media and businesses and everybody is using their phone more than they actually are utilizing their laptops. And as we move forward into the metaverse, I am more than certain that this tool and this actual way that we're going to be showing you today is going to help you all out. And I don't care if you are a business owner. I don't care if you're a stay-at-home mom. I don't care if you are a gamer. This is a great way that you can utilize your phone and be more effective. And I'm going to showcase a way that we're going to use our phone, more importantly, your actual keyboard and shortcuts for you not to be having to utilize a lot of time to be typing and texting and all this other things, where you can instantly have messages, you can instantly have links, you can instantly have your website and all these other applications ready to rock and roll at the tip of your fingertips. So here we go. So first things first, let's say, for example, you have a website, you have a message, an introduction message that you want to send to people, and you are tired of writing it out time and time and time again, right? So I want to showcase a way that you can write out a message one time, correct? And so prime example, let's say we want to be able to say, hi, hey, how are you doing? I hope all is well. Thank you for the conversation today. Here is my information. And I'm going to put our biz in the box that we have that I already have a shortcut from. And this is how easily it works, to where I literally was able to just put a synchronicity of words that I've already pre-designated, and it populates an actual website. And what we're going to do is I'm going to copy this message. Okay. And I'm going to show you all how to enter your own quick message. And so I'm going to go back to my main screen. And on the iPhone, you're going to hit settings, okay? You're then going to hit the actual general button. You're then going to hit the keyboard button. And then you're going to hit the text replacement. When you get to the text replacements, a lot of you probably are going to have this empty, but as you can see at the very top right-hand corner, up underneath your battery, you will see a plus sign. I want you to hit that plus sign. And when you hit that plus sign, you are going to see phrase and you're going to see shortcut. The phrase is where you are going to write your message, put in your website, put in anything that you use on a daily basis that you're tired of typing out, or something that you use for yourself. And so as that message that we put earlier, I'm going to go and hit this button. And this is the tricky part. Make sure you don't hit the copy button, hit the paste, and it pasted that message that I wrote beforehand. And then in the shortcut, it says optional. And this, you can put HW, you can put W3. You want to make sure you don't put anything that is kind of like hey, because every time you put hey in, it's going to populate this message and you're going to be upset. So my best suggestion to you all is maybe use a letter and a number. So H1, as you can see, I already have one. So I'm going to put H2. Hopefully I don't have one of those already, right? And so H2, oh, I have an H2 here. We'll go H6. There we go. As you can see, I utilize mine a lot. I encourage you all to do the same. So I put H6 in there. Make sure you don't put a space or you hit the space bar, or it will not allow you to save this. So if you keep getting frustrated and wondering why it's not saving, you probably hit the space button. It only can be a letter and a number right after it, or you can put anything, like I said, but this is the best way that I have found that this works. So I'm going to hit the save button. And now that H6 is saved. So it does not matter where I go, anywhere. I can go into my messages and I can go into Tara's message, right? And I can hit H6 and it will come right here at the bottom, as you see, and I hit that and it automatically populates it. The one thing I will suggest to you is also it doesn't come with all the spaces. So the one thing you will do is you probably want to space it out so it doesn't come all in one clump. And that is the way that you can utilize that function to be able to have any writing, any website, anything that you want to have a shortcut. And this is a great way to utilize your phone. And I promise you, you want to use this as much as possible. That way you can avoid, especially with websites, of actually messing up the website and it not being able to be sent over. Or I know for myself, I hate typing these things out because I always miss the HTTP or the backslash at the end. And oh my God, if I had hair again, I would pull it out and I'd be bald headed again. So I would send that message and boom, it is done. I can go into Instagram, ladies and gentlemen, right? I can go to Instagram. I can go to my messages. Oops, let's get off of this guy. I can go into messages. I can go right into our Hello Wellness, and I literally can be able to hit H6, boom, space it out, and it completes everywhere I go. It is going to be able to send that message. So it doesn't matter where you go, emails, text messages, it does not matter. It is going to put that message that you wrote. So if you have email addresses, if you have an intro, you have an outro, you have, maybe a business and you want to be able to have, an actual, email campaign or some type of writing that you write on a daily basis, this shortcut is a great way. So I'm going to go through it once more so we can go through the steps again. You're going to go to the settings. You're going to hit, because it took me back there. You're going to go to the settings button, and this is your main screen, okay? And so it is right below the screen time, and in between the controller, you're going to hit general, okay? You're then going to hit keyboard. You're then going to hit text replacement, and then you hit the plus button, and you put your message up here at the top, whatever that may be, right? So we'll just put HCC and I'll just put something in there. And then the shortcut, I'm just going to put H9 because we knew we didn't use that, right? And now I'm going to hit the save button. And that, my friends, is how you're going to utilize your actual phone for shortcuts to help you navigate and help you get information quickly. And the one great thing people with is that our Biz in a Box allows me to literally be able to send our Biz in a Box, and it has all the information in it right here. So when I send my Biz in a Box to people, I necessarily send them all the information where they can get a hold of me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, Venmo. They can send me money. I have our Amazon store, this tool, and they can email me. So anytime somebody wants to contact me, I literally just hit my HLC button and it populates our briefcase for the Hello LLC, and people can get in contact with me right here, all on one page. So we encourage you all to tap in, learn more about how we can help you build your business, build your brand, and really take you to the next level, because the future is already here. Thank you all for joining us today in the how-tos. We look forward to you joining us more as we continue to share this information to help you build your business, build your brand, because we don't need to be number one. Nobody needs to be number one. There's enough abundance out here for us all to win together. The future is already here. Hello LLC stands for helping everyone live life optimally. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day. Come back and see us next time. Love, kindness, integrity.